Have you ever been puzzled by a message that seems to say everything is fine, but you know something is off? If you've seen NUnit3TestExecutor converted 279 of 279 NUnit test cases and wondered what it means, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into this common issue and uncovering the mystery behind it. I totally get it. Seeing that message can be confusing, especially when you know you have more tests than just 279. You're not alone in this. Many developers have faced similar situations when upgrading from NUnit version 2 to 3. Let's break down the specific question at hand. One user asked, "Why do I see the message that NUnit3TestExecutor converted 279 of 279 NUnit test cases?" They suspect an upgrade from version 2 to 3 might be involved, but they are still left in limbo. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what does this message really mean? It indicates that the NUnit3TestExecutor has processed the test cases, but it doesn't necessarily reflect the total number of tests you have. There could be more tests that are not being recognized or converted properly. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a crucial tip that can help you manage your NUnit tests more effectively. To understand why the user sees the message about converting 279 of 279 NUnit test cases, we need to look at how NUnit processes test cases. The user mentioned that they have upgraded from NUnit version 2 to version 3, which is a significant change. Next, the user should check the structure of their test cases. The message indicates that NUnit has found and converted 279 test cases, but the user believes they do not have that many test fixtures or tests defined. The user can also investigate the NUnit test adapter configuration in Visual Studio. Sometimes, the adapter may pip additional test cases due to misconfigurations or legacy test cases that were not removed. Lastly, the user should consider running a test filter to narrow down the tests being executed. This can help identify if there are hidden or unexpected test cases being included in the count. Fun fact, did you know that NUnit was originally created in 2000? It's come a long way since then, evolving with the needs of developers everywhere. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One user explains that the message about NUnit3TestExecutor converting test cases comes from specific code in the NUnit test adapter. This code is responsible for converting NUnit tests into a format that Visual Studio can understand. They clarify that this process isn't related to the version of NUnit being used, but rather how the tests are formatted for compatibility. Here's the tip I promised. Regularly update your NUnit framework and check for any breaking changes in new versions. This can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these steps, you should have a clearer understanding of the NUnit3TestExecutor message. Remember, keeping your tests organized and updated is key to smooth development. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.